Hey, what's up guys, it's Blaine here again, your tech guide, and we will be checking out some more watch band for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. As you can see, we do have the white and the pink in this video. If you haven't seen my other videos, I did other colors, and you guys could check that out on the link on the description below, or at the end of this video there should be a video link that you could click on. Anyways, let's check this out and see what it looks like on the Watch 5 Pro. So we'll start with the white color first. So again, this watch band is pretty much identical to the stock one that came inside the box, for a better price deal compared to if you get it straight from Samsung. Okay, so there you go. Very easy to install, and that's what it looks like, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's put this on my wrist. Okay, it's a bit too tight, so what you need to do is just loosen this part here, pull it out, and just loosen a bit to whatever your sizing is. And there she is, guys. Oops, I think I put it backwards. There you go. And there you have it. Check that out. That is beautiful. Perfect fitting, and you have plenty of adjustment here. If you do have a bigger wrist, there's plenty more to make it bigger. And there you go. That is the white version. And now let's go check out the pink one. There is the pink color. Looks really nice as well for the ladies out there. And there you go. There is the pink. Check that out. That is beautiful as well, guys. So there's your pink and white. If you are interested in these colors, the link will be down below, and go check out the other watch bands or the other colors that I did on these watch bands. If you are interested in those as well, everything will be on the description down below. So just another quick video, guys, just to showcase the different types of colors you can get from this watch band. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I will see you guys on the next one.